Hi, welcome back. In our previous videos, I showed you how to install all the application you need for laptop, VS Code, for Android device, Kiwi browser, and also for iOS, we have the JS Everywhere application. There are other applications you can use, but that's basically the one I chose. So let me just show you how you can create files and also set up a folder for your project. So if you're using laptop, go to your VS Code, open your VS Code. I think I already have my own VS Code open. I'll open a new window. Then go to this icon here, which shows you Explorer. Go to open folder. I can decide to put the folder on my desktop. So create a folder. I call it JS for my. Then I open the folder. And inside the folder, we have to create a file called main.js. Sorry. Let's rename this to main.js. That's exactly what you need. And within this file, we'll be writing our JavaScript. Now let's move to the mobile device. So we'll start with Android. So go forward by opening your Kiwi browser, right? And after you open your Kiwi browser, you can hit the developer icon and you have your section of your JavaScript code. Then while we go into our JS Everywhere application, also you can go open the application and you see default codes or whatever you see a view, you can take out of the code and write your different thing that you want. So that's basically how you use this application. So in our next video, we'll be writing code and I'll be explaining some basics for you. Stay tuned.